Howdy everyone, this is Graham Fine. I'm with Uptown 101. This is my channel, Best Houston Apartments. Hey, I'm at the Alta Sunset Heights. And I'm here and gonna go look in this one bedroom model. I just wanted to show you the hallways first. It's really quiet hallways, very light, bright, beautiful. This is a very recently built apartment. So let's walk into the one bedroom. You're gonna love it here in the one bedroom. Oh my gosh, I've seen this and I loved it. So I can't wait to show this off to you. It just feels very cozy and cool. I mean, I just want to point out some really cool features. Really nice island that's there. Look at the kitchen. The kitchen just is so super fun. I love the white cabinets and the whitish quartz countertops. Looks beautiful, and the backsplash is honeycomb. Appliances are just new. You've got a washer and dryer. It's hidden behind there, but it's there, promise. So you got that washer dryer. You've got an instant table here. You don't need to have a table. Probably fit 2 or 3 pretty easily. And then you've got a really adorable area here. This is just super pretty. Really nice area. Feels great. The ceilings are pretty tall here too. I like that a lot. Here is a patio that's here. The patio is gorgeous. I'm gonna walk into here and I'm going to show you this patio. Wow, very big. This is nice. Now this is the first floor. In this case, it's got, wow, look, it's got a turf here. That'd be perfect for a pet. And then you've got a nice pool over here. This is a really big space out here, so it's pretty impressive on that. So this is the one bedroom and part one. We're gonna do a part two. We're gonna go in the bedroom right now. If you have any questions at any time about anything you're seeing, or if you want to do a tour, that can be a virtual or a live tour, send me a text and use the number below. I can't wait to hear from you. And hey, we'll chat super soon, right when you text me and say hi.